A flat tire, a broken phone, one trip to the emergency room, just $400. That's all it takes to financially destabilize millions of Americans. And according to recent surveys, around 37% of Americans couldn't cover that expense with cash. Not $4,000, not a down payment, $400. Which sounds impossible until you look closer. For decades, wages moved slower than everything else. Housing climbed, healthcare exploded, groceries became a weekly jump scare. Meanwhile, modern life quietly turned into a subscription service. Rent, insurance, car payments, streaming, interest, especially interest. Because here's the hidden part. Many Americans aren't broke in the traditional sense. They're fully employed. They have apartments, cars, iPhones, maybe even vacations on Instagram. But underneath it all is a system running on monthly payments. The average household now carries debt across multiple fronts at the same time. Credit cards became emergency funds. Buy now, pay later turned sneakers into financing agreements. Even food delivery apps offer installment plans now, which is both convenient and slightly dystopian. So when a real emergency appears, there's no buffer left, only more debt. And that creates a strange economy where consumer spending looks strong on paper while financial fragility quietly spreads underneath it. The uncomfortable question is this: if millions of people can survive normal life but not a $400 surprise, was the economy ever actually stable to begin with?